And we have another super mom. She's dropping by again. You know her as our health coach here on Cup of Joe. But today, she is super mom. Paola Henderson is here with us. How are you?
I'm great.
You're back.
I'm back.
You're
yes.
a super mom.
Yes,
Yeah.
I try to be a super mom. I don't know if my kids think so, but
Super moms don't like to admit that they're super moms.
yeah.
But I mean, you know, we see what you do from a distance, and you're super moms. You're super moms.
Okay.
Take it and smile.
I'll take it and smile.
What are you doing?
I try to
today?
do my best.
You do your best.
Yeah, so today I'm doing one of my kids' favorite meals. They and any kid's favorite meal is mac and cheese.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
But unfortunately, a lot of the mac and cheese that come ready in a box has, you know, artificial ingredients and artificial colorings,
Yeah.
right? So I didn't want to deprive my kids from having that experience of having mac and cheese.
Right.
So I want to show you today how to make a healthier version of a mac and cheese just using natural ingredients like pumpkin, which gives it a nice, rich orange color. We're gonna just use, you can use any type of pasta.
Right.
We are using heavy cream. A lot of people think that heavy cream is really not that healthy. It is actually full of fat solubles in there and it's loaded with calcium, but you want to go with the full fat.
Right.
And this will give you lots of, it's loaded with calcium as well as vitamin A and C. And we're only just using just a little bit to toss it up and make it that rich, creamy base.
I can't wait to taste your mac and cheese, Paola. Let's get cooking.
Okay, so if you are using raw chicken, that is when you want to saute it first.
Right.
But I have my chicken cooked already, so we're just going to start with just the sauce.
Right.
Right? So we're just going to put some heavy cream in here.
Wow, we started with the heavy cream.
Yes, you see, I'm not...
Oh my goodness, Paola's going all out today.
And
for
then
the
we're
kids.
going to put in your puree. So how I did this puree is I just chopped up this into little cubes and I
Right.
just put it in a pot with a little bit of water, a little salt, and let it just boil down and then mash it to this. So really and truly,
Very simple.
it's something that's very simple and anyone can do.
Quick and easy too.
Yes, so here we're just gonna get the color going. Adding any type of puree, whether it's pumpkin, you could do carrots in there as well, a carrot puree. It's a good way to hide in those veggies for your kids.
So you can
know?
puree any vegetable and
You
use
can
it
puree
in this
any
recipe,
vegetable.
in this recipe.
Yes, I'm just gonna add in the chicken now.
Right. So as Paola, I think you mentioned, you can cook the chicken before and then set it aside.
Yes, you can cook the chicken
Right.
before, or
If you have cooked chicken like that.
yes, if you have cooked chicken, and it's also if you have leftover chicken too, you can add it in there. You can also, if you do bacon or anything like that, you can add it to the mix as well. You know, so it doesn't really have to be chicken.
This is also
We're just gonna do
any pasta.
yeah. This is just cooked pasta already.
Yeah.
And
But
then
Paola,
you
this
just,
is a very quick cream sauce you also
this
did
is just
there.
a quick cream sauce, and then you could just add in your broccoli,
Right.
and then of course if you have no allergies to cheese,
Right.
this is just Parmesan cheese that I have here that I've grated up, and then you could just add in your sea salt, some black pepper. And that's it. I mean, it's just a very simple dish that you can have at home and make it a staple in your house.
That's a super mom dish.
This is one of my kids' favorites, and
they eat it, they love it.
They love it. They
Oh my
love it,
goodness.
even with the broccoli. So, what my advice is to moms is don't not give them the veggies. Find a way to either hide it and also always present the veggies on the table. So, how I have just the broccoli there, but I've hidden the pumpkin. So that way, the more they see it, is the more that they're gonna want to eat it.
Right.
Just gonna serve you up here.
Well, that's my little bowl.
Your little bowl, just
Oh my
like a little
goodness.
child.
Right, yes. Thank you, mommy. But this is, as I said, you don't have
Pressures.
the store-bought box of mac and cheese. It's very
Yes.
easy, as I said. and healthier to put
Yes.
together your own.
Exactly.
Just like that.
Just like that.
And I'm sure
So
it's
and
creamy
then if
cheesy.
you make your pumpkin puree, it's so great to freeze. You know, these are freezer friendly, so you could just have your little packets, and then you just take it out and then you warm it up and add it into your mac and cheese.
So this is delicious.
Yes, it's simple and delicious.
This is delicious.
Yes.
I can imagine your kids would love this.
Yes.
And yeah.
And I just wanted to make sure that for those that have a dairy allergy, you can also make it with almond milk or coconut milk,
Right.
you know, so it doesn't have to be the
Heavy
heavy
cream,
cream. But
yeah.
the heavy cream, as much as people think it's not healthy, it actually has really good benefits in there.
That's good to know.
That's good to know, yes.
I use a lot of heavy cream.
Yes, but a little goes a long,
A long
way.
Paola Henderson, our super mom, dropping in, guys, today. Thanking Paola for sharing over the course of the season. Super moms are doing a fantastic job, especially during these crazy times that we now live in. Hey, much more to come on the show. I want to thank Paola for dropping by.